The S&P hitting 5,000 for the first time just before the close. Just before the close. Tech has been a major driver of this rally. And my next guest is here to share some of his top picks. Joining me now is Dominic Rizzo, portfolio manager of Rowe Price's Global Technology Equity Strategy. Let's talk tech. What do you buy right now when you have these record high valuations?
Well, first off, thanks for having me, Morgan. I really appreciate it. You know, I think there's a lot of great opportunities in tech. If we look at the fundamentals from this quarter, we saw really strong growth out of the major cloud companies. We saw AWS accelerate. We saw Microsoft accelerate. That's turning to capital infrastructure investments. We're going to see capital infrastructure grow 25% this year. And that, in turn, is going to result in strong demand for digital semiconductors. AI is going to drive the entire digital semiconductor market for AI chips from $45 billion in 2023 to $400 billion by 2027. That's over a 70% CAGR. So I think the best place remains in digital semiconductor stocks like NVIDIA and AMD, or on the cloud side, names like Amazon.
Okay. I mean, speaking of that, to your point, we had ARM holdings surge 48% today in the regular trading session. And it does speak to this idea of some of these early companies realizing the gains from AI. Are there other areas? I mean, you just talked about NVIDIA and AMD. I just mentioned ARM, but are there other areas in terms of the so-called picks and shovels that are being overlooked right now?
Yeah, I think you really have to try to find these linchpin technologies companies that are powering this AI revolution, right? And so when I think about the areas that are probably underappreciated by the market, I think Taiwan Semi, which is manufacturing all of the different AI chips for the likes of NVIDIA, for the likes of AMD, for Qualcomm, for Apple. Samsung, who's providing a lot of the high bandwidth memory technology. If you look at AI data centers, high bandwidth memory goes through the roof in terms of consumption. And then ASML, who sells the EUV machine, the extreme ultraviolet lithography machine. We saw that company have 9 billion euros of orders this quarter. That gave us a very clear path to their 2025 earnings guidance of roughly 30 euros at the midpoint, if not 35 euros at the high point. And so I think that entire ecosystem, that digital semiconductor ecosystem, is continuing to have really strong fundamentals. If we look at what happened at ARM today, I think a couple different things happened. One, you got to remember, most of the shares are still owned by SoftBank, right? But if you look at the fundamentals, people got really excited about the V8 to V9 architecture upgrade. They said on their call that that comes with a 100% increase in royalty pricing. On top of that, they saw some pull-ins for AI licenses, right? So we're starting to see these AI stocks broaden out beyond just NVIDIA as we see more companies really benefit.
All right, 30 seconds I have here. Of the Mag 7, what do you like the best right now?
Right now, Amazon and NVIDIA. If we quickly go through Amazon, we have mix improving with ads and AWS, really strong growth. The company has caught religion on the cost side of things. Cost to serve continues to come down, and the valuation's relatively reasonable at 12 times EBITDA if you look at 2 years. On NVIDIA, everyone knows the story. But if we look at the valuation, it's really not that bad. It's roughly 25 times 26 earnings today. And again, we have that AI chip market going from $45 billion to $400 billion by 2027.